In this video, I'm going to show the datasheet feature of the property tool. The datasheet in the tool contains information about the property and the seller as well. The datasheet can be found here on the right, and it is available for editing after signing in. Click on the cogwheel, then sign in with your personal user data. Choose the datasheet from the menu. On the datasheet, you can provide detailed information on many things. You can enter contact details, or if you're in connection with a real estate agency, you can upload its logo. You can enter a link, either an advertisements or a community page's link. You can enter the main characteristics of the property. You can choose whether you want to display the detailed address or not, and you can also provide the price, the area, and additional information. You can apply the changes by clicking on the Save button. The property tool can be shared on Facebook and YouTube, for instance, and you can share a property tool link. In these ways, it circulates on the internet. This is why it is worth it to fill in the datasheet, so anyone who views the tool can contact the seller.